The Airbus A380 could be described by sheer numbers. Remember, over 100 of them have been delivered right now, and 262 are ordered by 20 airlines. You can fly up to 850 passengers in one, and it cruises at Mach 0.89, and it can fly legs of up to 8,500 nautical miles. This is the aircraft of all superlatives, but it's a thing of beauty, and when you're a pilot, when you fly it, you're really stunned by the user-friendliness of this machine. This is one of the friendlier aircraft you can fly in the sky, if not the friendlier aircraft. You just guide it, you don't have to pilot it. It's just something you do, you get time, it's very gentle, and it's very, very, very safe on the pilot's mind. Passage lent, un passage à 150 nœuds aux environs 300 km/h, et l'avion est parfaitement sous contrôle. Regardez au passage la danse des ailerons, regardez les porte-fuites des ailes, aux extrémités des ailes, regardez les 3 jeux d'ailerons par demi-voilure qui dansent et qui tiennent l'avion en équilibre parfait, un petit peu à la manière des rémiges d'un oiseau. Avec cet avion, on approche presque la perfection de la nature.